Disneyland Parks AI uses machine learning. The future of AI at Walt Disney Parks and Resorts. The future of AI will be more about personalization than automation. As AI improves, it will become easier for humans to work with machines. Disney already uses AI to help its cast members provide personalized recommendations and answer questions. AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives with the right tools, even at Walt Disney World. Disney's new approach to customer service. At Walt Disney World, Disney offers free Wi-Fi access throughout the parks. To predict where visitors will be within minutes based on their current location and historical movement patterns. This information helps Disney employees anticipate visitors' needs and direct them efficiently around the park. Guests receive an estimated arrival time for upcoming attractions and recommendations for what rides and shows to wait to get into based on who else is waiting in line. The system also provides real-time updates on crowd levels, so guests know whether it will be crowded or empty before entering the park. In addition to this, more than 40 million pieces of information about each guest are collected every day by sensors throughout the resort. All these factors help Disney accurately track guests' movements. Disneyland Resort is the perfect place to test innovative technology and innovations to improve the guest experience. Recently, Disneyland Resort has been using artificial intelligence, AI, to analyze guests' data to understand their behavior better. By understanding how guests move through the park and what they do, Disneyland Resort can make minor changes to improve the overall experience. For example, if the data shows that guests are not spending enough time in a specific area of the park, Disney may adjust the timing of the parade or fireworks show to encourage guests to stay longer. Disneyland Resort's use of AI will provide real-time information about their guests so that they can adjust based on a personalized plan for each visitor. The goal is to increase the overall satisfaction of their guests by providing more memorable experiences. What does artificial intelligence mean? Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that simulate human cognitive processes such as learning, planning, reasoning, and problem-solving without being explicitly programmed. They have taken over many jobs in the past few years, including customer service and security checks at airports and everyday life. Now, we are moving into what some experts believe is an era where computers can perform all sorts of tasks independently, and some see this as only a matter. Disney's predictive analytics provides excellent benefits for both guests and employees alike. Data collected by the Magic Band allows for more accurate wait times on rides and attractions. In contrast, data gathered from the MyMagic Plus system helps guest services agents provide the best possible service to guests. In addition to these systems, the resort also collects information such as ride preferences and personalized experiences for guests based on their interests. The future is bright for all involved with this innovative approach to business. As technology continues to advance, so will our ability to collect and process data.